Anytime we put pen to paper, we're trying to make a two-dimensional sketch look like a three-dimensional object. There are several ways to do this, and here are three of my favourites. The first is to use tone. We choose light tones for surfaces facing an imaginary light source, dark tones for surfaces that are hidden from the light, and mid-tones for, well, you know. The second way is to include cast shadows. Also based upon the position of the imaginary light source, cast shadows persuade someone looking at our sketch that there's a three-dimensional object blocking the light. And finally, we can add highlights. Picking out those edges of the shape that are facing the light source sends everything else into the page whilst making the sketch pop out of it. Subscribe and hit the bell for access to loads more sketching tips, and if you want to make sense of cast shadows, click this link here.